Hello, good day friends. In this question, we are to calculate the size of this angle. Let's assume its size to be x. We have this angle to be 15 degrees, this is 30 degrees, and this is a right angle. That is, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. And lastly, this line AP and this line CQ are equal in length. So how can we solve this? We're going to start with this triangle BPQ here. We can see, because of this angle here, it is a right angle triangle. If we use a circle tool on it, taking this angle as theta, this is opposite and this is adjacent. From here, tan theta equal to opposite over adjacent. Theta is x, opposite is line BQ, and adjacent is line BP. So tan x equal to line BQ over line BP. Now from this triangle ABC, we know that the summation of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. If we assume the size of this angle as y, sum of the angles of triangle ABC can equate to 180 degrees. Now 90 degrees plus 30 degrees plus 15 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 30 plus 15 is 135. So 135 degrees plus y equal to 180 degrees. If we subtract 135 degrees from both sides, here 135 degrees minus 135 degrees is 0. And here 180 degrees minus 135 degrees is 45 degrees. So y equal to 45 degrees. That is, this angle y is 45 degrees. And since this angle is 45 degrees, that means this triangle BCP is an isosceles triangle, implying that this side and this side are equal in length. And similarly, this angle and this angle are congruent. So since this is 45 degrees, this must also be 45 degrees. But we have this part to be x, therefore this is 45 degrees minus x. Now from this triangle CPQ, if we use the sine rule to relate this side and this side, line PQ over sine 45 degrees equal to line CQ over sine 45 degrees minus x. What we're going to do now, we multiply both sides by sine 45 degrees. Here, sine 45 degrees cancels sine 45 degrees. Now line PQ equal to line CQ over sine 45 degrees minus x, all multiplied by sine 45 degrees. But from this triangle here, if we also use the circle tool, taking this as theta, this is opposite and this is the hypotenuse. From here, sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Theta is 45 degrees, opposite is line BP, and hypotenuse is line CP. So sine 45 degrees equal to line BP over line CP. We're going to replace this sine 45 degrees with this line BP over line CP here. Now line PQ equal to line CQ over sine 45 degrees minus x times line BP over line CP. But from this triangle BPQ, if we also use the circle tool, taking this as theta, this is opposite and this is the hypotenuse. From here, sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Theta is x, opposite is line BQ, and hypotenuse is line PQ. Now sine x equal to line BQ over line PQ. We multiply both sides by line PQ. Here, line PQ cancels line PQ. So sine x times line PQ equal to line BQ. We divide both sides by sine x. Here, sine x cancels sine x. So line PQ equal to line BQ over sine x. Now we replace this line PQ with this value here. So line BQ over sine x equal to line CQ over sine 45 degrees minus x, all multiplied by line BP over line CP. We first multiply both sides by sine x. Here sine x cancels sine x. And here line CQ over sine 45 degrees minus x, all multiplied by line BP over line CP times sine x is line CQ line BP sine x all over line CP sine 45 degrees minus x. The next thing now is to divide both sides by line BP. Here this line BP cancels this line BP. Now line BQ over line BP equal to line CQ sine x over line CP sine 45 degrees minus x. But recall here, tan x equal to line BQ over line BP. And we found line BQ over line BP here to be line CQ sine x over line CP sine 45 degrees minus x. If we substitute here now, tan x equal to line CQ sine x all over line CP sine 45 degrees minus x. We keep it aside for now. From this triangle APC, if we use the sine rule also to relate this side and this side, now line AP over sine 15 degrees equal to line CP over sine 30 degrees. Line CP over sine 30 degrees is the same as 1 over sine 30 degrees times line CP. Sine 30 degrees is 0.5 and 1 over 0.5 is 2. 2 times line CP is 2 line CP. We multiply both sides by sine 15 degrees. Here sine 15 degrees cancels sine 50 degrees. Now line AP equal to 2 line CP times sine 15 degrees. But sine 15 degrees is 0.2588 and 2 line CP times 0.2588 is 0.5176 line CP. So line AP equal to 0.5176 line CP. Recall, this line AP and this line CQ are equal, so we replace line AP with line CQ. Now line CQ equal to 0.5176 line CP. Dividing both sides by line CP, here line CP cancels line CP. Now line CQ over line CP equal to 0.5176. If we come back to this our equation, tan x equal to line CQ sine x over line CP sine 45 degrees minus x. Line CQ sine x over line CP sine 45 degrees minus x is equivalent to line CQ over line CP times sine x over sine 45 degrees minus x. And here we have line CQ over line CP equal to 0.5176. So if we substitute here now, tan x equal to 0.5176 times sine x over sine 45 degrees minus x. Tan x from trigonometry we know is the same as sine x over cos x. So if we substitute here now, sine x over cos x equal to 0.5176 times sine x over sine 45 degrees minus x. If you look, this sine x will eliminate this sine x, but if you don't understand, just try dividing both sides by sine x and see. Now 1 over cos x equal to 0.5176 times 1 over sine 45 degrees minus x. If we multiply both sides by sine 45 degrees minus x, here sine 45 degrees minus x cancels sine 45 degrees minus x. And here 1 over cos x times sine 45 degrees minus x is sine 45 degrees minus x over cos x. So sine 45 degrees minus x over cos x equal to 0.5176. Now from trigonometry, we know the identity that sine a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. If we let a equal to 45 degrees and b equal to x, substituting here now, sine 45 degrees minus x equal to sine 45 degrees cos x minus cos 45 degrees sine x. Sine 45 degrees is 0.7071 and cos 45 degrees is 0.7071. Now sine 45 degrees minus x equal to 0.7071 cos x minus 0.7071 sine x. If we factor out 0.7071, now sine 45 degrees minus x equal to 0.7071 cos x minus sine x. If we substitute that here now, 0.7071 open bracket cos x minus sine x over cos x equal to 0.5176. Dividing both sides by 0.7071, here 0.7071 cancels 0.7071, and here 0.5176 over 0.7071 equal to 0.732. So cos x minus sine x over cos x equal to 0.732. Here cos x minus sine x over cos x is equivalent to cos x over cos x minus sine x over cos x. Cos x over cos x is 1, and sine x over cos x we already mentioned earlier is tan x. So 1 minus tan x equal to 0.732. If we take 1 to the right hand of the equation, now minus tan x equal to 0.732 minus 1. 0.732 minus 1 is minus 0.268. So minus tan x equal to minus 0.268. This negative sign will cancel this negative sign. Now tan x equal to 0.268. And from this, x equal to tan inverse of 0.268, which is 15 degrees. So x, which is the size of this angle BPQ, which we are asked to calculate, is 15 degrees. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. and also turn the notification button for this channel. Thank you.